Welcome back to Life with Liz. Today's video is my filthy kitchen deep clean with me. This is part one of this kitchen deep cleaning 2021 because this first half took me 7 hours. So if you're new, please subscribe and make sure you hit that bell so you know when my new Monday, Wednesday, and Friday videos are out to motivate you. Now let's get into showing you this filth. This is the part I was totally shocked to see. These are the tops of my kitchen cabinets that are covered in grease and dust. You will be so amazed to watch me show you how to deep clean kitchen cabinets. I will also share how to prevent yourself from having to go through this process again as we are deep cleaning my kitchen 2021. I will provide you with kitchen deep cleaning tips and tricks to make this easier to complete and make this easier to keep up with in the future. So I will be starting from the top and working my way down. I had no idea at this point what I was getting myself into. These upper cabinets took me 3 hours to clean. I started vacuuming up top, which didn't do much because a lot of the dust was stuck to the grease that was on top of these cabinets.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the road.
I decided to use the Mr. Clean Clean Freak Mist like I did in my first video of this deep cleaning series, which was my daughter's bathroom. I will link that video here for you, but anyways, I started off with spraying it and wiping it off. I will show you the difference that just that made compared to the other cabinets that I haven't cleaned yet.
Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Listening to me crime. To get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody.
I quickly realized just how bad the grease was, and I had to use my Scotch-Brite scrubbing brush to help break it up. I would love to know which ones of us have or have not looked at the top of our kitchen cabinets. So let's chat about that in the comments of this video. But the Scotch-Brite brush helped me even more, but there was still a grease line. So I'll talk about the next step of that process in just a second.
Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear.
Okay, so I learned to use my razor blade tool, and that was the real MVP of this project because it was able to get under the grease and pull it right up. Now I just want to be sure and let you know to be careful and not gouge your cabinets or, fall off your cabinets or something. And to make sure you don't pull up the protective liner, even though I definitely had that happen to me. But it's fine. This next step will prevent anything from coming through or any of that or ruining them. So by the time I got this cabinet done, I knew my process and was able to really show you a closer look into how I was getting them cleaned. So you guys are going to love these after shots. I hope you have all been enjoying this kitchen cleaning motivation 2021 so far. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you are new. I am going to finish this last cabinet after this one, and then I will reveal how the cabinets turned out, and I will share a trick with you, like I said, about how to never have to go through all this again.
Front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering her faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather sit right here, make everything disappear? You play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beaching sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, 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 up. When I'm with you, I'm with you. Pink sky, right?
I am first going to take you back to where these cabinets were when we started, and I wish I would have just never looked at this, but I did, and then I had to take care of it. And so here is the reveal of all of this hard work. This is such a satisfying result, and now I'm going to show you how to never have to worry about doing this again. So we will take these cutting boards from Dollar Tree and trim them to fit above the cabinets. So we're just essentially lining them with these cutting boards. This is a super cheap solution because these come in a pack of 2, so they are only 50 cents each. They do have a rough side and a smooth side, so I put the smooth side facing up for easy wipe downs, or you could always just take them down every year or 2 and replace them. Super easy. So please let me know in the comments if you will be trying out this Dollar Tree cleaning trick and if you will be tackling the top of your cabinets.
Going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out of line. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels, at least for tonight. Another season we leave behind. Another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time.
Now I will clear off our countertops and move on with this Kitchen Clean With Me 2021. I am still just using my Mr. Clean Clean Freak Mist. I'm on bottle number 2 now, and I'm trying out the lemon scent, which I love, especially for the kitchen. But I am going to make sure to clean underneath the cabinets for splatters that have happened over time, as well as the walls, outlets, and of course the countertops.
Dream. There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while. There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while. There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what.
I also want to show you how to deep clean sink. So I am just using the Clean Freak again, and it worked perfectly. I truly love this, and it's an all-in-one cleaning product. It's really gets in there and it cleans. You can use it on stainless steel and it works great too, which you're going to see throughout this Clean With Me 2021 kitchen anyways. So when I deep clean my kitchen sink, I also take whatever oil I have nearby and I oil my granite composite sink, which you're going to see here in a little bit after I get done with the rest of these countertops. But this keeps you from having that white filmy look over it. So I just wanted to show you that right here.
I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down. But I don't wanna have to breathe too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in.
In this clear bottle, I just have white vinegar, which I will spray in our water dispenser area to get those hard water spots off. I'll just let that soak in while I clean with the Clean Freak for the rest of the fridge.
If you can make me smile, if only for a while. There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and
These lower kitchen cabinets have bothered me since we bought our house nearly 3 years ago. I just dreaded getting them clean, but it also just grossed me out. So having this done and taken care of now feels so good. So I will be showing you some up close, disgusting shots. So keep watching because this is some serious cleaning motivation today. And also, I would love to know how often you guys deep clean and scrub down your cabinets. This is my first time ever deep cleaning these cabinets. I have wiped them down before, but clearly that was not good enough.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. Don't wanna do this again. You must have felt this coming. Can we just leave it right here? Never to touch it again. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again.
So that was so gross. Now for this nasty cabinet, which is actually the cabinet that holds our trash can, which is why it's so gross, and the fact that it's probably never been deep cleaned. So that's part of that too. But I wanted to let you guys know that in part 2 of this kitchen deep cleaning 2021, I will be deep cleaning the inside of the large appliances, this trash can cabinet, the trim, the barn door, the window, and the floors. But just having this first part done is just incredible.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
I guess that I just never hit record when I cleaned the dishwasher, but it looks so fresh and so clean now, so I thought I would add that in. I just have a few more cabinets here, and then I will show you the after of this kitchen clean with me 2021.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down.
Now I'm just going to walk you through my beautifully cleaned, fresh, amazing, not bothering me anymore kitchen cabinets. Man, I've literally just stared at my kitchen cabinet since I got this done. Like, I'm such a weirdo. I'm just like sitting at the bar looking at amazement of my awesome job I did. But anyways, I hope you guys all got all the cleaning motivation that you needed today. Please be sure and let me know in the comments if you did, and give this video a big old thumbs up for me. And if you are new, please subscribe for more cleaning motivation to come. And if you hit that bell, you'll know when my new Monday, Wednesday, and Friday videos are out. Thank you to everyone who has returned to watch more videos of mine. You know I love all of my subscribers so much. I hope that you all have an amazing weekend, and thank you again so much for watching. Bye, guys.